You may remember me film. This one I turned on, but anyway, you may remember me filming at these units in like October of 2022. I'm at them again. These two Weathermakers, which one of them just started up. It was this bottom one. And over here is the Savaire mini split and Surecomfort. I'm pretty sure I think I lost my Surecomfort logo, so I'm gonna grab that. Savaire. And Surecomfort. Let's see if there's... I don't think there's any other units here. And I start with the Weathermaker gave me. I don't think there's any more E-checks here. I swear, my grandma took a picture of a spam can around here, but maybe it was replaced. Yeah, it was replaced by one of these newer units. Oh yeah, I thought these are heat pumps. Does not sound that good.